This is my Google Drive, and within it you can see the 3 folders that I have set up for right now. I have something from high school, and then different pictures that I have saved on my Google Drive, and then folders for my EDCI class. So if you go into my EDCI 270, I have folders for each badge that I'm doing, and right now I'm working on 2 badges, so the Basic Tools badge and the Digital Literacy badge that are both due on Sunday. So you can go into my Basic Tools badge, and you can see that I have documents that I've created that I've saved in here because they go with this badge. So I'm going to create another one that will go with this badge. So what I have to do is hit blank, and I want to have a document that has all of the state standards that I'm trying to meet as I work with this theme throughout the semester. So I'm just going to create that document really fast. I have them already copied from the PowerPoint that I made in a previous challenge, and so this is my document that I just created, and I can go back into my drive and find it right here and just drag it and put it over into the Basic Tools folder because that's what it's going to be going with. So if I wanted to share this with somebody, I could pull it up, hit the share button, and then type in the address of the person who I'm going to share it with. So if I wanted to share it with Kate, my classmate, I could do that and then hit send, but I'm not going to do that right now because she doesn't need to see that. But that's just an example.